So this is how you can create 3D text effect without a graphics card installed in your PC. It can help if you are in a hurry and don't want to deal with the complex 3D setting. Once you have converted your text into 3D, you can apply any text effect you want, and you can also change the text. And not only that, you can also use your logo if you want. So to achieve this effect without a real 3D setting, we will be creating multiple copies of the object and arranging them in a way to give it a 3D look. So I have these two layers. One is the background and the second one is the text layer. And the first thing that I need to do is to convert the text layer into a smart object. Now because this is going to be the face of our text, let's call it face. Let's duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J and drag it down. Let's put it in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Let's call it extrusion. Now because the extrusion should be darker from the front face, let's make it darker by going to its blending option, click on color overlay, choose a black color with 50% opacity, and then hit OK. I know nothing happened, but wait for magic. Now select this layer, hold Alt key on your keyboard and press down arrow key. It will duplicate the layer and move it down 1 pixel. Now release the Alt key and press right arrow key to move it to the right 1 pixel. Again, hold Alt key on your keyboard and press down arrow key. Now release the Alt key and press right arrow key. Repeat this process few times to get a nice 3D extrusion. When you are happy with the size of extrusion, stop right there and collapse the group. And now we have this amazing 3D text effect with just few clicks. To change its color, let's create a solid color adjustment layer on top of it and choose a color. Right click on the layer and choose create clipping mask so that it will only limit the layer beneath it. Hold Alt key on your keyboard and drag it down to duplicate it. Again, right click on it and choose create clipping mask. And now you can change its color by just double clicking on this layer and choose any color that you like. If you want to change the text, double click on this layer, it will open another document. Here you can edit the text. Close this document and save it. And Photoshop will update everything in the main document. Okay, now let's replace it with your logo. All you have to do is to just double click on this layer once again to open another document. Here, instead of editing your text, drag and drop your logo. Close the document and save it. And it will update everything in the main document. Now, I know this process is a bit lengthy, but I have created a tool that can do all of this with just few clicks. You can download it from the link in the video's description. Once you install it, you will get these actions. To use it, all you have to do is to select the layer and play the action that says play me first. It will set up everything. And now all you have to do is to choose the action where you want to extrude it. Now since I want to extrude my action in this direction, I'll select the bottom right action and play it few times. And that's it. With just few clicks, I get this amazing 3D text effect. And again, I can apply any text effect and I can also replace it with my logo. Now if you're interested in text effect, you can watch this video. I'll catch you there. Until then, peace.